Go through the job description. Everyone gives good advice and they say keep hold of the job description, go through the job description, look at the role you're going to be doing. But ask yourself questions around the role you're going to be doing. Because if you don't do that, you're not preparing for that interview. You're just preparing for any interview. And anyone can do that. And if you do that, you will be another generic candidate. Doesn't matter how specific you are being about applying for your job, you will be a generic candidate. So stop it. Look at the job description. Most of the questions are going to come from that. Certainly the difficult ones. So look to the job description. Look at what the roles and responsibilities are going to be and ask yourself questions around that. Have a format where you're writing them down and answering them in the STAR model. And stop just thinking in your head about how you're going to answer these questions. Because if you haven't practiced and pushed them out of your mouth and worked out how you're going to look when you're saying these things, you're missing a trick. You will not be polished. You will be garbled. You will be incoherent and your nerves will exacerbate the situation. So take some advice, please. Look at that job description, spend a bit of time asking yourself questions when you have done things that the role requirement requires you to do. When you do that, answer it in the model that is most appropriate to the organisation. All these generic advices, use the STAR model, use the CAR model, use the BLUF model. Fine, but different organisations do it differently. And if you're not adapting your communication style to meet the needs of the audience, which is the panel, then you're being another generic candidate. Now stop it, please. Prepare specifically for the panel and the people you're going to be talking to. And if you've got numerous different interviews in the same organisation, research the different people you're going to be doing those interviews with and make sure you're adapting the communication style to meet that audience, because that is an audience of one sometimes, and it's a different one to the one you had 5 hours before or 5 days before. Prepare specifically, go in with confidence, go in with enthusiasm, and you'll do a really good job. But remember, practice, practice, practice. Thanks a lot. I hope you have a good day. I know I'm going to. Bye now.